Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a Steam error code 50 on your Windows PC. If you are also facing a Steam error code 50, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major or minor issues on your system. So you must restart your system and check whether your Steam error code 50 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Completely close your Steam app. Go to Task Manager. Right click on the Start button and choose Task Manager. Here under Process tab, click on Steam Client Web Helper or Steam. Select it and choose End Task. And restart your Steam app afresh page with login. And check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the Start button. Choose Settings. Here from the left side, go to System, and from the right side, look for the option Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot. Here choose Other Troubleshooters and run Network and Internet Troubleshoot. Network issue is the main reason behind your Steam app having error or not opening properly, and the second one is Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. Run both these troubleshoot in your system and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshoot process, and check whether your Steam error code 50 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Launch a Steam app as administrator mode. Right click on desktop shortcut of a Steam app and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to compatibility and make the check against option compatibility mode for. Run this program in compatibility mode for, and also make the check against option run this program as an administrator, and click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your Steam error app error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Launch a Steam app in your system, and here from the top left corner, click on Steam and choose Settings. Click on Settings. Clear your Steam download caches. A Steam settings page will open. Here from the left side of menu, click on Downloads. Thereafter go to right side and you will find the option Clear Download Caches. Click on Clear Cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? Choose Confirm. And after that, check whether your Steam error code 50 resolved or not. The one more clear cache is from the left side of menu on the same page. Click on in-game settings and go to right side, and here you will find the option, scroll down, delete web browser data. Click on delete. Delete all Steam browser cached files, cookies and history. Click on confirm and check whether your Steam app error code 50 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to settings of your Windows PC. Right click on a start button, choose settings, and here from the left side, go to time and language. Click on it and make sure that correct date and time is set. Click on date and time and set time zone automatically. Turn the toggle button on and also set time automatically. Turn both the features should be turned on, and your date and language should be correct. After that, check whether your Steam error code 50 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows. Run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator, and in command prompt Windows you will have to execute these 5 network related command one by one: ipconfig flush DNS, register DNS, release, ipconfig renew, and winsock reset. Execute all these 5 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time to reset your networks, flush DNS caches, and IP configuration release, and after that restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, one more workaround is temporarily disable Windows Firewall. Open control panel in your system. Here click on Windows Defender Firewall. From the left side, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and under private network as well as public network, turn off Windows Defender Firewall. This is temporary. After your problem will resolve, you must turn on Windows Defender Firewall in your system. Your Steam error code 50 definitely be resolved. That's all.